Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Vocational Door. So, today we will be discussing a famous interview problem which is reverse words in a string. So, in this problem, you will be given a string S and you need to reverse the order of the words. So, in the examples, we can understand this problem. In the first example, input S is equal to the sky is blue. So, first blue, then is, then sky, and then the. So, we need to reverse the order of these particular words. If you will see the second examples, so here it is written hello world, but there are some leading and trailing spaces, so we need to remove them also, and the output will be first word then hello. Same in the third example, s is equal to a single space good, then here these are two spaces then example. So in the output we need to reduce these two spaces to one space only, so it will be example then good then so we need to written in this format. Now we will see how to approach this problem and how we can solve this. So here I have taken this example. So here there are some leading spaces, some trailing spaces, and also there are multiple spaces in between the words. So to solve this, what we can do, we can take one pointer at the last of the string. So this will be the length minus one. Then what we will do, we will check while we are getting only the spaces, means empty character. So we will keep moving our pointer to the left side. So once it will come here after all removal of trailing spaces. So from this point, what we can say, this point we can declare as a endpoint, and after that again we will start moving our pointer to the left side, and we will move till we are getting the first space. So the reason behind that, we are capturing our first word which is in the last of the particular string. So in this way, what we can do, we can calculate the substring from this point to this point. So how it will be calculated? It will be s dot substring I plus pointer plus one. Suppose pointer is here at the first space. So this will be suppose p. So p plus one, because we need to calculate from here e, and then we will go till n plus one, because we know in the substring method it excludes the last pointer of the range. So we will do till n plus 1 so that we can come here. In this way, this complete word will get captured. So now we have captured the word. So we can store it into the string builder, and then also we can append one space, and we can keep doing this process till we are coming here at this point. So in this way, we will be capturing all the words in the reverse order. Also, we will be removing extra spaces which are either on the leading or trailing side. So this was all about the approach. Now I will explain with the code. So we can start writing our code. First, we need to declare one pointer at the last of the string, which will be s dot length minus one. So this is our pointer. And after this, first we need to skip the trailing spaces. So we know like how to do that. We will start one while loop, and we will check till our pointer is greater or equal than 0, and our current character, which is s dot caret I, which is in the last of the string, is equal to space. So till we are getting the spaces, what we need to do, we need to do I minus minus, and with this we need to check one more thing. If I is less than 0 during this process, means we are having all the spaces, then we need to break, because there is no sense to move. So if we have removed the trailing spaces. So as explained, that point will be our endpoint. So we can declare at end is equal to I. After this, we need to again move the pointer till we are getting the first space. So it will be, again we will do I is greater or equal than 0. Then we are checking s dot caret I till it is not equal to space. So if this is the case, what we need to do, we need to do I minus minus. Our pointer will be moved. So now we are having our both ranges for the substring. So it will be substring, sorry, s dot substring So as I said, the starting will be current pointer, which is I plus 1, then n plus 1. So we need to append this in string builder. So we will create the object of string builder. So object is created. Now what we'll do, we will append it. So this part has calculated the last word of the string. So we'll paste it here, remove it from here. Now our first last word is captured. After that we need to append one space. So we will do append. So in this way, this is also done. And also this whole mechanism will be done till we are going to the first index. So till I is greater or equal than 0 while. So what we will do, we will take this complete code and put inside this block. Now since we are appending the space in the last, so in this way at the last of the string it will append one space, so we need to remove that. So what we will return, we will return SB. First we need to convert it to string, then also we need to trim it. So in this way our code is done. We can see now like what I explained. So first our pointer will be at the last, whether it is space or not. So first we will remove the trailing spaces, which will be done by this block. We will check till we are getting the spaces. We will keep moving our pointer to the left side, and if it is done, so at the first character we will declare it as the end range, and after this we will again start moving our pointer to the left side till we are getting the first space. So after that this will become our start and this will be our end. So we will calculate the substring which will capture the last word of the particular string. So last word is calculated. Now we can append it into a string builder. Then we can append one space so that it will append like this first example and then space. So after that it will capture this good, then space, then a, then space. So in this way in the last also we will be having an extra space. So we will return our string builder converting to a string, and then we will trim it. So this was all about this code. Now we can try to execute this. Okay, it is okay. I have written wrong method name as usual. Okay, now we can see if it is working or not. Yes, these cases are getting passed. Now we can submit it. Okay, we can see all the cases are getting passed, and this is also a very optimum solution. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys are having any concerns or queries, you can mention them into comment section. And if this content you find like it is somewhere helpful, you can consider subscribing so that I can make such more videos. Thank you. Till then, keep learning. Happy learning.